Hey, it's Faye, and this is Day with Faye. Today I'm going to be reviewing KKW fragrance Kimoji Peach. I had such a positive experience with the Ride or Die fragrance that I was like, okay, if I see something fruity again, I'm going to try it out. I'm going to see if it's worth it. Now, one thing that I want to mention real quickly is that the PR for this was kind of a little weird. Obviously, I love the candy that came in the PR boxes. That was really cute. I would love to have a PR box one of these days. The one thing that was really weird about the campaign was the weird IMVU Sims characters. Like, it was really creepy. Anytime I saw them, I quickly scrolled up. I don't think that's cute. Obviously, Kim Kardashian thinks it's cute, but it really creeps me out. And I was noticing that other commenters felt the same way. I digress. I didn't let that steer me away. I was very obsessed with the packaging. This packaging is so cute. I think it's really innovative, and I hope it smells exactly like a peach. This is 50 milliliters and it retails for $45. Alright, so I'm gonna read you guys the description just so I can get prepared for what I'm supposed to smell. Peach opens with fresh, juicy nectarine and velvety shades of peach for a mouth-watering sensation, while jasmine petals and peach blossom adds to this delicious composition. Its creamy base consists of sandalwood, creamy vanilla, and musk. The opening notes are succulent peach, juicy nectarine, mandarin. The heart is bays rose, jasmine petals, peach blossom. The finish is sandalwood, creamy vanilla, and musk. So opening is what you smell immediately, but it kind of fades. And finish is what remains for most of the time. And then heart is kind of in between opening and finish. So it comes in this little cute box. So it comes in this beautiful ass packaging that's really reminiscent of obviously her Kimoji app. Oh, it's so cute. This perfume is very much like a peach, which is pretty dope. I feel like I could just pick this out of some sort of cartoon world, and this is what comes up. But obviously there's cream and stuff on the top. All right, let's try to open this. How do you open this? It actually wasn't as hard as I thought. It feels super soft and fuzzy like a peach, which is kind of funny. I don't know how they did that, but really cool. All right, so I'm gonna spray it. I have no perfume on me today. I was prepared for this video. So I'm gonna spray it here. It smells like a peach, y'all. It smells really good. On a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being I hate it, 2 I like it, 3 I'm neutral, 4 I like it, 5 I love it. I'm gonna give it a 4. I really like it. I'm gonna have my fiance smell it too, but he'll be off camera because he hates cameras and he hates being in videos. Okay, so Mike is here. I'm gonna have him smell my right hand first, and he'll give me his impressions, and so he'll see how the opening notes are like. And then now I'm gonna give him my left hand, which is more of the heart and finishing notes. So on a scale of 1 to 5, he's gonna show with his hands, with 1 being I hate it, 2 I don't like it, 3 I'm neutral, 4 I like it, 5 I love it. What is your rating? Thank you. The results are in. It is Fiancé approved and it is Faye approved. So I want to know what you guys think. Do you like your Kimoji Peach fragrance? Or do you guys have the 2 other fragrances? Do you have the Emoji Cherry one or the Emoji Vibes one? And if so, comment down below. I want to know how those smell too. And yeah, I hope you guys have a really good rest of your day. I hope this was informational for you. And if it was, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you like my vibe, sorry, that was a really bad pun. But if you like my vibe, please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys.